How to fix Spotify not downloading music. Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you guys how you can easily fix this error. So let's just jump right in. Open up your Spotify application and make sure that you are logged in. Now just head over to the top left corner on your profile. Once this pop-up menu appears, go to Settings and Privacy and then scroll down until you find Data Saving and Offline. Tap on this. And here you'll find something called downloads and streaming, and right below that you have an option called downloads over cellular. So what happens is if you are on your Wi-Fi network, you could easily download songs or podcasts. But if you want to download it over cellular, just go ahead and turn this one on, and then you should be able to download any kind of songs or podcasts even on your mobile data. Now, after this, your problem should be fixed, but most importantly, what you need to do is make sure that you have the premium because downloading these songs is a premium feature in Spotify. Now, long press on the app, go to the eye icon, and then from here, head over to storage and quickly go ahead and clear cache. And you could also try to clear all of its data. Then you're going to have to log back into your Spotify. And after doing that, the final step is to check for updates. Go to Google Play Store and then simply search for Spotify. Hit enter, and then from here, make sure that the app is up to date. That is it for this video, guys. If it was helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.